Parang, obviously, okay, sige, sa start, you fall in love with this bitch. But, like, you continue to do so even after seeing how much
Shitstorm.
shit, yeah, this guy has been bringing to your life. Like, come on. There's a limit to how much stupidity you can have over love.
Mm. And the thing is, Banban was introduced as a very smart girl.
Yeah. Oh my God. And then, bilang tanga-tanga pagdating sa relationship, nakakawisit.
Yung expulsion din niya, nakita ko siya as a, not just because Birdie's parents are powerful,
Sex thing.
pati rin,
Gender.
yeah, sexist din,
Mhm.
misogynistic yung pagkaka-expel
Yeah.
niya. Kasi why is the girl being punished more than the guy?
Yeah,
Mhm.
exactly. Yeah.
Visit.
Especially since, di ba, ano lang ng co-ed
Yeah.
schooling.
Mm-mm.
Parang,
They were supposed to go into, like, yung may progression na eh. May progressive steps to the right,
Direction.
yeah,
direction.
direction.
Kaya mo yan.
Naglalag na yung brains natin. Paano pa tayo? May isa pa tayong discussion after nito.
Well, at least yung yung next discussion naman hindi siya ganun
Oo,
ka
magaan-gaan
heavy.
lang naman siya.
Madali siyang ma-figure out. Pero ayun nga, parang they were on the right direction na. Tapos, because of close-mindedness, nag-ano
Mm,
pa din sila. Nawala yung progression nila. Ganun.
yeah.
Mm.
Para lagi ano siya, naging proof siya na dapat hindi co-ed.
Mm-mm.
Parang ano pang point na nag-co-ed kayo? Eh di sana naging all boys na rin pa rin kayo.
Yeah.
Visit. Tapos ihahating nyo lang yung school. Eh di naging, crowded yung mga
Segregated pa rin.
classroom.
Yeah.
Honestly
Visit.
though, if you think about, if nag-all boys school sila, ang kalaban naman nila dyan is being gay.
True.